Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of your data not showing in your folder when you want to upload it to ERDAS Imagine. This usually happens especially if you are a beginner with ERDAS Imagine. For instance, let me show you something here. I have this folder which contains Landsat 8 satellite images. If I double click, you can see I have about 24 files here. Now, if I try to load it in ERDAS Imagine, for instance, let me open ERDAS Imagine. To add data to ERDAS Imagine, just right-click the viewer and click on Open Raster Layer. Then let me navigate to that folder I showed you the other time. Navigate to the folder, and here is the folder. Now, if I open it, you can see that there is no data here, not even a single file showing. And if I come back, you can see I have a lot of data here, a lot of files. But what you need to note is that most of the data here or files here are in TIFF format. Now, if I go back to ERDAS Imagine, you will notice that none of the file is showing here. The reason is that you have not selected the appropriate data format here. So here you need to specify the data format. The default format is image, that is .img. So for you to see your files or data in your folder, you have to select the appropriate data format. Click on this drop down and select TIFF. You see, once I selected TIFF, you can see that all the TIFF files in that folder are showing. Alternatively, if you don't know the specific data format in your folder, what you can do is to click on this drop down, scroll up, and select all file-based raster formats. Click on it. If you do that, all raster-based formats in that folder will be showing. So this is how to solve the problem of your files or data not showing in your folder when you are trying to upload it to ERDAS Imagine. Thank you for watching.